death here and there is a spiritual thing. We need to invite a man of God for the solution of this death. I have said it. It's better for us to go and meet Igwe.
We have our customs and tradition. Bring in a man of God into this matter and we start the solution.
I have said my mind, that the only solution is for us to go and invite a man of God. That is the only alternative.
No. That is not the only solution. Listen, let me tell you. We have a tradition in this community. How can you say inviting a man of God is the only solution? When there is an adage that says that there are too many ways to kill a rat. So you cannot say that the only solution is to bring a man of God. We have a tradition in this land. What we're supposed to do is to meet the elders to have a round table discussion. To discuss on how to bury the man at night. What are we supposed to do? I have said my mind, if you people like it or not, I must go to Igwe to someone meeting on a way to bring a man of God. No. In order to stop this. I have said my mind.
Leave him, let him go.
I have said my mind.
We will deal with him. No,
this man didn't even know.
Never know. I can see you. I can make you fair. Never know. I can make you. Let's go.
Why should we say he will bring a man of God?
The man of God.
We have a tradition.
My husband is dying.
What is wrong with him?
He's dying.
He's dying.
Dying.
Go, I'm coming. Let me knock up the church. I'm coming. Go, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming. Go.
Okay.
Jesus.
Okay. Pastor, are you coming?
Go, I'm coming. I said I'm coming.
Pastor, where are you rushing to?
Don't you see Sister Amaka on the way?
No, yes, I saw her. She is heading to her house.
Yes, that is where I'm going to.
To do what, if I may ask?
She said her husband is very sick. Sir Oko, I have to go and do something.
Oh no! Pastor, no! We discussed all these things. You know about this. Look, we are the one that put him in that condition. We came to your church and told you that you should stay on your own and we will stay on our own. He tried to dip his finger into our eyes. Then Ayakatemeni attack. What you should be thinking about is how to go back to that church and increase your tithe and the offering. Look, what pastor? In fact, come, let's go to your church. I was even going to your church.
Mazi, people would have told me. People would have told me, but you didn't tell me anything.
Is that why you are sweating like a Christmas goat? No, don't worry. Let's go to your church. I was going there. Look, let me tell you, you should do the way you are trying. Away.